Morning workouts are amazing. They set the tone for the rest of your day, filling you with energy and positivity. They wake you up better than a strong coffee. Imagine starting your day with a burst of endorphins. When you move your body early, you feel good all day long. It's like a natural high that keeps you going. It's the best way to start your day, trust me. You'll feel accomplished before most people even wake up. Morning exercise gives you energy and focus. It sharpens your mind and prepares you for the tasks ahead. You'll be more productive at work or school. Your brain will be more alert and ready to absorb information. Plus, you'll feel more alert and ready to tackle any challenge. Confidence will be your companion throughout the day. Working out on an empty stomach can help burn more fat. This is because your body taps into stored fat for energy. Your body uses stored fat for energy. This can be a great way to kickstart your metabolism. This helps you lose weight and get leaner. Consistent morning workouts can transform your body over time. Morning workouts make you feel happy. The sense of achievement and the endorphins released are unbeatable. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. They help you start your day on a positive note. You'll feel less stressed and more positive throughout the day. It's a simple habit that can change your life. Full body muscle activation is like waking up all your muscles. It's like pressing the on button for your body. You use all major muscle groups. We activate muscles by moving and using them. Simple exercises can do the trick. Think squats, push-ups, and lunges. When your muscles are activated, you burn more calories. This is because muscles need energy to work, even when you're resting. Full body activation also improves your coordination. You'll move better and feel more balanced in your everyday life. Boxing is a fantastic full-body workout. It works your arms, legs, core, and everything in between. This high-intensity exercise torches calories and melts away fat. It's a fun way to exercise. Boxing is engaging and exciting, making your workout fly by. You'll work up a sweat and have a blast doing it. Boxing improves your cardiovascular health. It strengthens your heart and lungs, making you fitter overall. You'll have more stamina and endurance. Boxing teaches you self-defense skills. While we hope you'll never need them, knowing how to defend yourself is empowering. It boosts your confidence and self-esteem. Section 4. The science behind the knockout, punch muscles and metabolism. When we activate our muscles, we boost our metabolism. This is because muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue. So, the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. Metabolism is like your body's engine, burning calories for energy. Just like a car needs fuel to run, our bodies need calories to function. The more efficient your engine, the better your body can utilize the fuel. The more active your muscles, the faster your metabolism runs. High-intensity activities like boxing can significantly ramp up your metabolic rate. Building muscle mass increases your resting metabolic rate. This means that even when you're not moving, your body is burning more calories just to maintain that muscle. This means you burn more calories even when you're not working out. It's like having a built-in calorie-burning machine that works around the clock. Muscle is a calorie-burning machine. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, making it easier to manage your weight. Intense workouts like boxing create an afterburn effect. This is also known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, where your body continues to burn calories even after the workout is over. This means your body continues to burn calories for hours after your workout is over. It's like getting a bonus calorie burn, making your efforts even more effective. It's like getting bonus calorie burn. This can be incredibly motivating and rewarding, knowing that your hard work continues to pay off. Regular exercise helps regulate hormones that control hunger. This means you'll have better control over your appetite and food choices. You'll feel fuller for longer and be less likely to overeat. This can help you make healthier choices and avoid unnecessary snacking. This helps with weight management. By combining regular exercise with mindful eating, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight more easily. Section 5. Jab, cross, hook your way to fitness. Welcome to a dynamic and exhilarating way to get fit. Let's start with some basic boxing moves you can try at home. These moves are simple yet effective, and you don't need any special equipment to get started. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new workout routine. It's important to ensure that your body is ready for the physical demands of boxing. Jab, extend your lead fist straight out, keeping your other hand up to protect your face. This is your quickest punch and is great for keeping your opponent at bay. Cross. Rotate your hips and extend your rear fist across your body, aiming for your target. This punch generates power from your whole body, making it a strong offensive move. Hook bend your arm and swing it sideways, aiming for your target with your fist. The hook is perfect for close-range combat and can be a game-changer in your boxing routine. Footwork. Stay light on your feet, moving forward, backward, and side to side. Good footwork is essential for both offense and defense in boxing. Shadow boxing. Practice these punches in the air, imagining an opponent. This helps you perfect your technique and build muscle memory. Start slow and gradually increase the intensity. This allows your body to adapt and reduces the risk of injury. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Most importantly, have fun. Enjoying your workout is key to staying motivated and consistent. Boxing workouts are a fantastic way to kickstart your day. They energize you and set a positive tone for the rest of your activities. They activate your muscles, boost your metabolism, and torch calories. Boxing is a full-body workout that engages multiple muscle groups, so put on your gloves and give it a try. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, boxing can be tailored to your fitness level. You'll feel energized, empowered, and ready to conquer the day. The sense of accomplishment after a boxing session is unparalleled. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single punch. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey to fitness.